Setting up GoCardless for payments is simple and can be done in a few steps. Here's how. Create a GoCardless account. Visit the GoCardless website or download the GoCardless app. Click sign up and enter your business details, including your business name, email address, and payment preferences. Verify your business information. GoCardless will ask you to provide necessary details to verify your business. This may include your company registration number, bank details, and tax information. Follow the instructions to complete this verification step. Link your bank account. After setting up your account, you need to link a bank account for receiving payments. Go to the bank account section in the app or website and follow the prompts to add your details. GoCardless will use your bank account for collecting and depositing funds. Set up payment collection. Once your account is active, you can start setting up payment collection. GoCardless offers options for one-off payments or recurring payments. Integrate with your existing tools. Start collecting payments. Once set up, you can start collecting payments from customers using their bank details. They will authorize payments via direct debit, which GoCardless handles securely.